Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier and fitter you? Starting an exercise routine can be daunting, especially if you're a beginner. But don't worry, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll break down everything you need to know to get started with exercise, making it simple and approachable. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and confidence to kickstart your fitness journey. And remember, we have a quick actionable cheat sheet at the end, so stick around. Let's dive into the key concepts of starting an exercise routine. 1. Understanding exercise for beginners. Exercise doesn't have to be complicated. It's about moving your body in ways that feel good and get your heart rate up. Whether it's a brisk walk, a light jog, or a beginner yoga class, find an activity that you enjoy. 2. The importance of consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. It's better to exercise for a short period regularly than to do a long, intense workout sporadically. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. 3. Setting realistic goals. Set achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. Start with small, manageable targets like exercising 3 times a week or walking 10,000 steps a day. As you progress, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. 4. Listening to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. It's normal to feel some discomfort as your body adapts, but sharp pain or excessive fatigue is a sign to take it easy. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. The impact on you. Starting an exercise routine can significantly impact your life, both emotionally and practically. 1. Emotional benefits. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Many beginners report feeling more energetic and positive after just a few weeks of regular exercise. 2. Practical benefits. Regular exercise improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and enhances flexibility. It can also help with weight management and improve your overall physical health. By incorporating exercise into your daily routine, you'll likely find everyday tasks becoming easier and more enjoyable. 3. Real-life scenarios. Consider Sarah, who felt sluggish and stressed from her desk job. She started with short, daily walks and gradually added light strength training. Within a month, she noticed improved energy levels and a better mood. Or think of John, who used beginner yoga to ease his back pain and improve flexibility. These real-life scenarios show how impactful starting exercise can be. Practical tips and actionable advice. Tip 1. Start slow. Begin with low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling. These activities are gentle on the joints and perfect for building your fitness foundation. Tip 2. Find a routine. Create a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle. Consistency is easier when you have a set routine. Whether it's morning jogs or evening yoga, find what works best for you. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Hydration is crucial for optimal performance and recovery. Tip 4. Wear comfortable clothing. Invest in comfortable workout clothes and supportive shoes. The right gear can make a significant difference in your exercise experience. Tip 5. Warm up and cool down. Always start with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and end with a cool down to help your body recover. Simple stretches can prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Techniques and habits. Incorporating these techniques and habits can enhance your exercise routine. Technique 1. Interval training. Mixing short bursts of high-intensity exercise with periods of rest or lower intensity can boost your fitness level quickly. For example, try alternating between jogging and walking. Technique 2. Strength training. Include strength training exercises like bodyweight squats, push-ups, or resistance band workouts. Strength training helps build muscle and improve metabolism. Technique 3. Mind-body connection. Practices like yoga or Pilates focus on the mind-body connection, enhancing both physical and mental health. These activities improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Habit 1. Consistency over intensity. Remember, it's more important to be consistent than to work out intensely. Regular, moderate exercise yields better long-term results than occasional high-intensity sessions. Habit 2. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to track your workouts and progress. Seeing your improvements over time can be highly motivating. Habit 3. Join a community. Find a workout buddy or join a fitness group. Having a support system can keep you motivated and accountable. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Tip 1. Start with low-impact exercises like walking or cycling. Tip 2. Create a consistent workout schedule. Tip 3. Stay hydrated before, during, and after workouts. Tip 4. Invest in comfortable workout clothes and shoes. Tip 5. Always warm up before and cool down after exercise. Tip 6. Incorporate interval training to boost fitness quickly. Tip 7. Include strength training exercises in your routine. Tip 8. Practice mind-body activities like yoga or Pilates. Tip 9. Focus on consistency rather than intensity. Tip 10. Track your progress to stay motivated. Tip 11. Join a fitness community for support and accountability. Conclusion. Beginner's Guide to Exercise. Summarizing what we've discussed today, Starting an exercise routine as a beginner is all about taking small, manageable steps and staying consistent. Remember the importance of setting realistic goals, listening to your body, and incorporating practical tips into your routine. Exercise can profoundly impact your emotional and physical well-being, making it a worthwhile investment in yourself. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Please leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.